Hi everyone, this is a tutorial for Google Classroom. I am currently logged in as a student in somebody else's Google Classroom, so I can see everything you see when you log into Google Classroom. So obviously you have to be able to log into your OUSD account and accept the invitation to Google Classroom before you join. So when I log in, I'm able to see the stream that will show me any announcements that are here. You can post questions. I'm able to post questions here. And it will show me things that were posted by my teacher. My teacher is Miss Delgado. And you click it and it will give you instructions right here. And it'll give you the title of what to do. And if anything were posted on here, it will come up and it'll give me the option to add or create or to turn in. Like it says right here, when you're ready to submit all of your files for this assignment, remember to turn it in. Got it. So this is my work that has been assigned to me. I click it and it'll take me to this page. The work on this Google Classroom has nothing to do with our class. It's just an example. So this is a Google Doc, so I'm able to edit whatever I want. And when I'm done, I can click turn it in and it'll take me to a different page and it'll say class not found. Look for it on classes or double check your link. So the reason why it's asking me that is because this email is not the email that I'm signed in with the class. You can only turn it in or access Google Doc with the email. So the email I am using as a student is my Gmail. So I'm clicking my Gmail and it's taking me back here to log in. If I want to talk to my teacher, I can make a private comment like it said right here, but let's focus on turning it in. It says turn in your work. One attachment will be submitted for comparison, the title of the assignment, and it shows my name, so it is the right document. I do want to turn it in. So I click turn it in and it says turned in. So I know it has been turned in and it will say unsubmit. There's something I forgot. I want to edit it. I'm opening it up to check. And yeah, I didn't fill out any of it. So I want to unsubmit. Yes, unsubmit. And then I can work on it again and actually finish it and then turn it in for real this time. So let's pretend I actually did it and now I'm turning it in and it's turned in. So I go back over here and I can go to classwork. I'll click classwork and it'll tell me my grades so far, the progress I have done. Nothing's been graded for me because I just turned that one in. So you could see here, it's gray. So the gray one means I already did it. So let's try autobiographies. It says use the template to make your own presentation. So let's open it up. And it shows me a slide. And so now let's pretend I did it. And I'll turn it in. Yes, turn in. And so now that it's turned in and I go back to sample classroom, I'll go back to classwork and it turned gray because I turned it in. So let's go back to this assignment, view assignments. Let's say I have a question on how this works. I click private comments and I'll ask a question. Hi, I need some help. I don't know exactly what to write. Or can you please remind me of the due date? And you'll click post. And it will post there and I'll get an email notification saying somebody left a comment and I'll be able to reply back to whatever student commented on mine. So that's the basic 101 for Google Classroom. The stream tends to get filled up pretty fast because whenever I post something anywhere in classwork, etc., it'll show up here. So things might move around quite a bit, but always make sure to check the stream and then check classwork. But when you check classwork and you open something, make sure you read the directions in the bottom. Okay, that's it for Google Classroom. Thank you.